Hi guys, welcome to Tech Bro. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to verify Pinterest with Wix website. So let's go to Pinterest first. Right here Pinterest, and you must have an account in Pinterest. If you don't have any account, you have to click on sign in or sign up. Then you have to register your account in Pinterest. Then open the Pinterest to log in with ID and password. After that, you'll find here this drop down menu beside the profile icon or profile picture. Click on this drop down menu and you'll find here settings. Click on settings. Now you have to click on claimed account. Click on claimed account, then you'll find here websites. Click on claim, and then you can see there is three option to verify a website. So I'm going for the first one. You have to click to copy. You can see here you have to copy this one, and then you have to go to your website dashboard. Then you'll find here website and SEO. Click on SEO. Now scroll down and you'll find here site verification. Click on this. Now you can see here the Pinterest option, the second option. Click on Pinterest and you have to paste the what you have copied from there. Okay, now click on save. Now you have to go to your website and you have to copy the website URL. Then you have to go to Pinterest and click on continue. Then you have to paste the Pinterest website URL, this website URL. You have to just paste it here and click on verify. Okay, you can see here that it is connected right now. You have to click on done and get started, and you can see here now the Pinterest has been added to your website as a verification. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.